Alright class, today we are going to do, once we have chosen our topic that we're going to do, we're going to do choosing colleges. So, our exposition is going to be me, or in your case you, but we're going to do me, and the setting will be colleges, because that's what our topic is. So we're going to choose where we want to go and what we want to do. Our rising action will be choosing 3 colleges, so we'll just do U of M is 1, Minnesota State, and do St. Cloud, SCSU, St. Cloud State. So that'll be our choose the 3, then our climax is going to be picking the 1 college that we want to go to. So for me, it'll be MNSU for teaching. Following action would be maybe that this college didn't have the teaching program. Not all colleges may not have teaching. Resolution is going to be that because Minnesota does, go attend, getting into the program, teaching program. And the conflict is maybe it just costs too much. So you'll have to take out like student loans, maybe just to help pay for it. Doesn't include housing. And there could be many more things that this college doesn't have. So that is how you do a plot diagram.